New setup coming up. Bus 302 F150. Stay tuned. Disconnection of the airbox, vacuums. That after about disconnect this first, and this piece here is another one down below right here. Are to move full bolt. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's gonna take all that piece. Then after that you can remove that piece with a pain in the butt, because it go all the way down here. Then we can remove that piece. That we can wait for the last minute to move it, because we need to cut that pipe right over there so we can have longers. Okay, now we disconnect that hose. So it's that one right here. You have to press the two clip underneath to lift that up, right? That one piece right up. After that, we have to remove those phone. Can't climb on the truck. Boy. So to remove those phone here, no good, and that one here. Oh, and I got no use for that anymore. It's to protect this. The foam here to protect fuel line. Why we don't need it? So junk. Do not forget, before you do all this, I didn't do it, but anyway, disconnect the negative battery. Disconnect that so the negative battery. So when you remove this and the fuel pumps want to start if it's unplugged, so you make sure that is disconnected. Okay, fuel line is disconnected. It's the one right here underneath, right here. The fuel line is disconnected. Now we disconnected the full bolt. It's one bolt here, 2 bolt here, 3 over here, and 4th one about right here. Now what we have to do is to pull that out slowly, because the injector on the end, so we have to pull the rail, that rail on both sides out. So let's do that now. Okay, next, unscrew 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolt, 4 bolt, 5, and 1 somewhere, 6 bolts right here. When all 6 bolts on both, and we see that everything is not blocking anything else, we should be able to remove the intake out of it. But make sure you be careful. We see the hole there, where the fuel rail goes. Try to make sure that no garbage go through it, because there's always a lot of dirt there. So anyway. So when you're ready to remove the intake, you have to disconnect the hose right here. Make sure you put a lot of rag, so it's got a lot of, that's the press on from the here, the hose is gonna leak, so you can maybe clip it to make sure it's not going down, it's not get damaged. And after that, what you do, you take in from here and just lift it. But the only way to put them out is to remove that hose. You have it disconnected. I see all the dirt. Make sure if you had a vacuum all this. You don't install the other part with that. Sorry, all that dirt in there. Sure it's nice and clean. The old one has a seal from underneath, so it carries, and up to the beast, to the new one. Can give you a bit difference. New one, old one. So make sure you clean those pieces, and when you're there, actually check for your valve. See? Debris inside of it. You don't want that to go in there. So vacuum all this if you can't. If you don't, it's gonna be inside the motors, and it's not good. Thing to mention, to pass the Bus 302 head, you need to tap this. You have to take the installation off. Take the installation off here, and you have to bang the head right here. You have to make a bump from the inside up like this. And now you get damage anything inside the structures, because that's where the warper instrument goes underneath it. If you don't make a bump here, the head right here don't fit underneath. So we're in the process to put it back, but I need to remove this, that hose. You see, we bang the 3 tap on the top. So we're able to have the head to fit. So now we need to remove that hose also, and we will remove that one too also. So, and the injector go back in like this. So make sure they go back inside. Make sure the nice and fit, because when you put it back in, it's not gonna work. First part is done, it's inside. Now we have to tight the bolt here, bolt right here, and one at the back, and the top goes down the road. So, okay, throttle body install. Hose here, put it back in, all bolt tied up to specific torque. Need to install oil exchanger back here. That one go here. This, that one going like this. So see that one? That's where the oil goes in. Doesn't go back inside here. That's not bad. That's not good for the valve. It's not very good. So that's the oil catchers. So that's where it's connected now. Okay, I gotta have to disconnect it because I gotta have to read that hose. We need to go connect right here. Okay, now a few things we need to find out the new connection, because on the whole throttle body you used to have that piece right here. It used to be connected right about, be connected like this. That hose right here, cut it and make him fit here. Because since we're gonna tune it, they're not gonna need that connectors anymore. There you go. After we install brand new filters, we have to modify the hose, the heater hose, nice and clean. We have to modify that hose too because it was too short. Everything's in there. Everything should be good to go. We're gonna do a startup and see what happened. There you go, folks. You have it. Was 302 installed an F150. We also did a plate to cover no snow, no gravel, nothing coming from the vehicles. If you want to have it done, contact GearWeenie.ca. We have one done for you. We're located in Ottawa, Ontario. That's the result of the Boss TO2 keyboard. With tune, we put GT guard on it. So to put a tune to 91, so we got to run the 91 fuel now. So there you go.